BrightView Landscape Services is proud to partner with the Antilles of Vero Beach. The Antilles is a 260 single-family home community. Outstanding amenity options include a pool, fitness center, clubhouse, and tennis courts. We will help maintain the beauty and lush landscaping throughout the common area and homes by providing full-service landscape and lake maintenance. Integrating our Brightview Connect 2.0 is a driving force of our partnership. Beautiful landscaping is prevalent throughout the community. Brightview will be able to bring our expertise in irrigation, agronomics, horticulture, lake maintenance, tree trimming, design, and landscape maintenance to help maintain and increase the beauty of the community. Safety is our top priority, and you will always find our workers wearing PPE and following all OSHA standard practices and procedures. Brightview would like to thank the residents, board members, and Keystone Property Management for allowing us to partner with the Antilles to manage the standards set for the community.